Hello, my name is Monica Leiva, studying AUNAT. Today I'm going to look about the import of recycling. Recycling means use waste materials and as raw materials in stranded materials in like cardboard, paper, plastic, metal, glass, or iron what can be recycled. The materials still have value and can become new products. Recycling helps the environment. It reduces waste in ratio spill no biodegradable waste. This helps reduce soil and ocean pollution. It gives the earth time to heal. Recycling also helps the economy. Industry can reuse materials at low cost. They save money and natural resources. So let's recycle to protect our planet and our future. Thank you.